Welcome to Weight Ask channel. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for an effective day beforehand. These 10 healthful and delicious breakfast recipes are not most effective clean to put together, but additionally designed to provide you the power raise you need to kickstart your morning recurring. Nutty Banana Overnight Oats. Give your mornings a head start with a jar of Nutty Banana Overnight Oats. Mix rolled oats, almond milk, sliced bananas, a spoonful of almond butter, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. Let it sit inside the fridge overnight and awaken to a satisfying breakfast it's geared up to consume. Spinach and feta breakfast wrap. For a brief and savory choice, whip up a spinach and feta breakfast wrap. Scramble eggs with chopped spinach and crumbled feta cheese. Spoon the mixture onto an entire wheat tortilla, roll it up, and enjoy a protein-packed breakfast at the pass. Berry Blast Smoothie Bowl. Blend collectively a colorful berry blast. Smoothie the usage of blended berries, a banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Pour the smoothie right into a bowl and top it with granola, chia seeds, and a handful of fresh berries for a refreshing and nutritious morning deal with. Avocado toast with a twist. Elevate your traditional avocado toast by way of adding a poached egg and a sprinkle of pink pepper flakes. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast, top it with a perfectly poached egg, and upload a dash of seasoning for a filling and Instagram-worthy breakfast. Greek yogurt parfait. Create layers of goodness with a Greek yogurt parfait. Alternate between creamy Greek yogurt, granola, fresh end result, and a drizzle of honey. This parfait not handiest appears pleasant, but also presents a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and nutrients. Veggie-packed breakfast burrito. Wrap up your favorite veggies in an entire wheat tortilla for a veggie-packed breakfast burrito. Saute bell peppers, onions, and spinach, then add scrambled eggs and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll all of it up for a transportable and nutritious breakfast. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Revamp your morning recurring with a quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and pinnacle it with sliced almonds, dried end result, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Drizzle with a touch of honey and revel in a protein-rich, gluten-unfastened breakfast choice. Peanut butter banana protein pancakes. Indulge in guilt, unfastened peanut butter banana protein pancakes. Mash ripe bananas, whisk in eggs, and stir in a scoop of peanut butter. Cook small pancakes on a non-stick pan and delight in the scrumptious mixture of flavors and protein. Chia seed pudding. Prepare a chia seed pudding the nighttime before for a no-fuss morning meal. Mix chia seeds along with your desire of milk and a hint of vanilla extract. Allow the mixture to thicken overnight, then top it with sparkling fruit or nuts for a pleasing breakfast pudding. Apple cinnamon breakfast quinoa. Turn quinoa right into a warm and alluring breakfast with apple cinnamon breakfast quinoa. Cook quinoa with diced apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup. This cozy bowl offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!